Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today, in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can turn on Add to Post Submission on Instagram. So, let's get started. Firstly, open Instagram app in your device. Then tap on Profile icon. Next, tap on three lines icon. After that, tap on Settings and Privacy. Then tap on Notification. Next, you can see the option of Post, Stories and Comments. Tap on it. After that, scroll until you find Add to Post Submission. Then you can see the option of On. Click on it by tapping on it. So, this is how you can turn on Add to Post Submission on Instagram. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you will never miss another update.